So I'm going to show you poor man's smoker. I had this broken down gas grill. The bottom rotted off of it and just couldn't bring myself to throw it away. Then I wanted to smoke these peppers because there's nothing more amazing than smoked peppers. So first you're going to take your peppers and you're going to cut them all in half. I leave the seeds and centers in because it adds extra fire to it. And I piled these up on a tray I got from the dollar store, and this tray already has holes in it, which allows more of the smoke to go through and the juice to drop out of it. 99 cents. Then I got some of these charcoal brisket mesquites, which is going to add a little more smoky, yummy flavor to it. And I'm going to use a local hardwood that a lot of people don't know you can smoke with in Northern California, and that is madrone. Madrone burns really slowly but really hot, but we're just going to use it for smoke. So I've kind of moistened it up in some water, and it's 2 pieces and we're ready to go. I've got my little grill going here. I threw some lighter fluid on the charcoal and it's heating up right now. The next step is I'm going to add this little tray of water to the center. Now what this is going to do, it's going to add moisture, but it's also going to keep the grill from getting too hot inside, because really the maximum ideal temperature, we want to keep it around 250. We're not really looking to dry the peppers, we're not looking for the heat, but we are looking for enough heat to keep these smoking for 3 to 4 hours. So we're going to set this down in there now. Okay, so we got that going. We're going to let this flames burn down a little bit, let these charcoal take, and as soon as I feel like it's enough, I feel like I need to add a little more juice over here. Not really secure that that's getting hot enough. So we're gonna let this flame go down. Then I'm gonna set my piece of wood over there. And as soon as this burns down, I'm gonna set my smaller piece of wood over on this side. And then once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and set our grill on top. That's looking pretty good. So just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna move ahead and show you. So we're gonna get our grill set on top. Now the thing is, if we set this on top of this, it's still going to be too hot and it's going to burn these. So what I've come up with is I take a clay pot from under a flower pot, the base, and I'm going to fill this with water also. And I'm going to fill this with water, and then I'm going to go ahead and take this set it on top of here, which is going to keep this from making direct contact with this and getting too hot. I'm going to put my lid on, keep an eye on it that it keeps around 250 degrees, and that's just going to smoke away for 3 or 4 hours, and you're going to have amazing smoked peppers. Then they're not going to be all the way dry, so I'm going to take those, move them to the dehydrator, finish the process, grind them, and you just won't believe. Smoked pepper is so delicious that you almost don't need salt or anything else to satiate your taste. Oh, look at the smoke starting. That's awesome. Okay, so that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them in the comment box. Again, this is my quick, easy way. Saved me a lot of money versus buying a smoker because I don't smoke a lot, and I had incredible results the last time I did this. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please subscribe, it helps. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other, because how we treat each other on the streets is ultimately our reality.